Okay guys, for anyone that has one of these Nespresso machines, we weren't using it for a few months, took it back out, decided to clean it, so we ran it through the cycle about 5 times to try clean out any of the bad coffee. Seemed to work fine, left it overnight, came back the next day, and the green lights on top would turn on no problem, but no sound. So, looked good, definitely not doing what it's supposed to do, no water coming out. Looked it up online, of course everyone is saying that it's airlocked. Sorry, just so people recognise the system. Said it was airlocked, and guys, if it's making no noise, the pump isn't coming on, so it's definitely not airlocked. Something wrong with the pump. So this is not the easy fix, but it is fixable. So first of all, we unplugged it. Here's one I prepared earlier, as the water goes everywhere on me. Okay, and we turn it around, and here is the fun parts. Okay, so the water normally comes in here, goes up to this, looks like to be some type of safety valve. You can ignore it. The problem we had was this thermal fuse right here, about €2 on eBay to replace, but it is a safety fuse. So for safety, if it gets too hot, it breaks. It's a fuse. If you have the same problem, you can do what we done. If you look very closely, I have a new piece of wire bridging the connection. That is temporarily going to make it work until we get a new replacement off eBay. If you go to disassemble this, hang on, the screws, so it's a Torx 20 screw to remove the handle, and then this piece of plastic here had to come off first before the side panel would. But other than that, really simple fix, as long as you're willing to do a bit of wiring. So hope this helps somebody. Have a nice day.